So someone asked me to do a video on my stereo on my motorcycle, and if you can probably hear in the background, maybe about a couple hundred feet away, you can hear a YouTube free song, you know, so that I don't get demonetized or I would play something else. But you can hear the YouTube free song, and this is a couple hundred feet away, so if you look, you'll see my bike way over there, you know, and I'm way over here still backing up. But you can still hear the music, and it's only at about maybe 35, 40 on the dial, I think 40 on the dial, and it's pretty loud. So you may be wondering, what does this guy got in his bike? Well, in the fairing, I have a 2 Hertz speakers. They are 6 3/4 speakers, and they are expensive, but they're nice, really nice speakers. I got them a long time ago, maybe a couple, 3 years ago, 4 years maybe, and they sound really good. I like them. They're pretty clear, and if you can hear, which over my talking, you can pretty much hear how they sound. They're pretty good. And also in the back, I have 2 Polk Audio 6x9s, which are really, really nice speakers. If you want to put some nice speakers on your bike, do some Polk Audios, you won't be disappointed. I also have some speakers down in the lowers, but I've kind of unplugged those because, you know, they really don't, I mean, you can hear them, but they don't make much of a difference in the sound unless you're sitting still. If you're moving, you're really not going to hear them. And of course, the music dies while we're talking. But I will restart it when we're next to the bike so that you guys can hear what it sounds like. Because I also have in the saddlebag here, I have a 1200 watt Hyphonics amplifier, which I will show you guys since I'm right up on the bike now. Let me go ahead and just kind of restart and give you guys just a little bit.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So this is standing right next to the bike, so it's really loud. And like I said, it's not all the way up, but it's loud enough to make you notice the bike. So if you want really nice speakers, I would suggest Polk Audio for your bike. Also the Hertz. So let's go over here and turn this down just a little bit. Fortunately, I'm somewhere where I don't have to worry about noise. I should probably start my bike just in case, you know, we don't want to run our battery down here. So, like I said, in the front here, I have the Hertz speakers in here. I have the Polk Audios down in here, and they sound really good, as I've said before. Really nice speakers. Let me make sure that we're not breaking anything here. Okay, so my connection went out. so it disconnected when I restarted the bike, but that's fine because we can always redo it. But let's go ahead, we'll shut the bike off so that we don't have to yell over the bike. But I will show you some of the things that I have. Like I said, these are the Polk Audio speakers that I have down here, which are really nice. I like those a lot. Down in here, which I need to do a little bit of housekeeping on the inside of the saddlebags where all the stuff is, you can see that I have this Hyphonics 35th anniversary amplifier. It's a Hercules, and I really like it. It puts out quite a bit of power, takes up a lot of space in the bags, but I don't really mind that. I won't put anything in them anyway because I usually put my little tour pack up here to carry anything that I need in the bike, just in case I take any long trips, which I really don't take very many long trips, but just in case I do, I've got something to put here to have extra storage. But nice amplifier. Doesn't run hot, runs really cool. I'm going to do some modifications probably this weekend where I'm going to add some fans for cooling just in case, because, you know, I do live in Arizona, which is hot forever, and electronics don't do too well with heat, so I'm going to make sure to probably put some fans on these. Also, I'm going to add some lights inside the saddlebags as well at some point because, you know, I like to see. And also there will be a capacitor here, hopefully somewhere around in here if I can get it, you know, in a nice area where it's like nice and out of the way. I'll put a capacitor there. Also, I'm going to go with I have an old school EQ, if that's what you want to call it, and I want to put that in there as well, but we'll have to see as far as size wise. Also, which I shouldn't be fumbling with my keys while I'm trying to show you guys stuff. Once again, you know, there's the other Polk Audio DB speakers that I have there. There's nothing in that saddlebag really. But other than that, that's kind of my stereo. It's really loud. I love this thing. I did all the stereo work myself, which I'm not a professional, but it sounds good and it works. I'm still going to do some things to it and change a few things up. At some point, probably change the amplifier, which, don't know. But that's my stereo. If you have any other questions, oh, by the way, I do have a Pioneer deck or head unit inside the bike here. So if you do have any questions on my stereo or what I've done to it, if there's any other things that I may have forgotten to mention that are on the bike, let me know. Send me a comment and I can discuss anything that I have on the bike. Other than that, you ladies and gentlemen, have a great and wonderful weekend. Please be safe out there. Take care of yourselves and try to keep both wheels on the ground and wear a helmet because, you know, it's really worth it. Save your melons. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.
Crazy mother.